What's up, you guys? Another day, another W. Construct the minimum bitwise array. You are given an array nums consisting of n prime integers. You need to construct an array as of length n, such that for each index I, the bitwise OR of n sub I plus 1 is equal to nums of I, meaning n sub I or n sub I plus 1 is equal to nums of I. Additionally, you must minimize each value in the resulting array. If it is not possible, then set n sub I to -1. So we're gonna have our ands, then we're gonna look through this. Okay, and then hold up. I'm gonna have, let's say, our x. Then we're gonna do for, okay, yeah, and how I know this is these are the constraints, right? So so for j whatever gets 0, j equal to 1000, j plus plus if j or j plus 1 is equal to nums of I, then x is equal to j, and we're gonna break, I'm pretty sure, and then we're gonna do ans dot push back x. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, so okay, guys. Ooh, nice. All right, nice, guys. So we got accepted. That's another one in the books. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys with all my heart, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.